Alam niyo ba, tapos when we were going back home na, may isang nag-ano sa'kin, tinawag ako ni Ate Kea was like, Mika, tinatanong niya kung saan ka daw nagpakulay. I was like, ay, ako lang 'to, nagkulay. Kasi pinatungan ko 'to, 'di ba, ilang beses na. So, and then he was asking for the brand. So, I was like, oh, I actually don't know the brand, but I can just like get back to you on that. Sabi niya, how can you? So we exchanged. Like she took a photo of my IG and like ang loud kasi so I couldn't hear what her IG was. Ganun. Anong shade? As in red. Red talaga. As in, ito na yon. Pero kasi, nung nag-retouch ako for showtime, naubos siya. Naubos yung red. Kaya hindi siya pantay-pantay. Basta hindi yan pantay-pantay sa lahat ng areas. May kita din. Thank you, Charm.